Meaning of guacamole.
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 Guacamole. Guacamole is a popular dip, sauce or salad ingredient that originated in the Aztec civilization of Mexico. The word guacamole comes from two Aztec words, ahuacatl which means avocado and mole which means sauce. This delicious dish is made by mashing ripe avocados and mixing them with lime juice, onions, tomatoes, salt, and other ingredients to create a creamy, tangy and flavorful dip that can be enjoyed with tortilla chips, tacos, burritos and more. Guacamole is not only tasty, but also packed with nutrients like healthy fats and fiber, making it a healthy addition to any meal.